Hello there. Thank you for choosing the Visual Product Configurator plugin. In this tutorial, we're going to cover how exactly to assign your configuration to a product. This allows your customers, while trying to purchase that product, to make specific configurations that you have made available. To do that quickly, I'll show you an existing product over here. Let's take the mask demos, for instance. I open it up in another tab over here so you can see what the product looks like here. As you can see, it's a simple WooCommerce product that can simply be added to cart and be traded at checkout. So what we will do is alter this item here to make it configurable. Here, we will go to all of the existing configurations, and you can have as much configurations as you want for different products. But since we are trading the mask product, there's a configuration here that's called mask, and in an older tutorial we have covered how exactly to set up each and every configuration to blend to your taste. So here in this product, we want to edit the product here, and then assign. You can see clearly here that it's a simple product. The next thing to do would be to assign a configuration to this product. As you can see clearly, there's no configuration attached, which is why there is no option to customize the product here. Here, what we have to do is choose the configuration that fits. It's masked in this case, and what you want to do is hit the update button over here. Awesome, and that exactly does it. So we can refresh this page over here. And there you have it. There's a build your own button over here that opens up to the screen where the configuration can actually take place. If you recall, in an older tutorial, we addressed trying to not access the configuration page directly. To access a configurable product, it is very crucial to go through the build your own button on a particular product page.